Could you please tell us about what is the significance of this meeting between Timor-Leste and Australia?
Our relationship with Australia is very important. We know that during these last 2 years, the Foreign Minister of Australia, Senator Penny Wong, have visited Timor-Leste twice. So we came here as a matter of reciprocity, as well as to strengthening bilateral ties that already established, and to discuss on specific issues related to this cooperation. We consider various issues, including PALM, Pacific Labor Mobility Program, where our Timorese workers, many of them are benefited by this program. Indeed, there are also challenges, so we have discussed with ministers to see all this situation and also other areas of cooperation in terms of economics, in the development of greater sunrise, and also support to ASEAN integration, programs that related to future, not distant future, shareship of Timor-Leste to ASEAN, what the needs from Timor-Leste side, and also some part of discussions about the maritime security, which is very important for us to protect our coastal zones, especially for illegal fishing and other issues, which is really very important.
President Zera Muzorta wrote an opinion piece published in Australian media last month, highlighting the poor pay and living conditions some workers experience as a part of the PALM scheme. What role does the Timor-Leste government play in ensuring all Timorese are safe in Australia?
I think the President was aware about these real situations through certain channels of information, which is good for us to know, and I think the government need to be aware about the situation and to coordinate, to work together in a mutual level with cooperation with us and with Australian authorities to see the situation and to help our people to get their rights and the protection, as well as to follow up on this agreement. So, in principle, this idea was very important, and that our young people, they came here working in various industries, so they went back home, they have changed life in terms of economic growth, education and health. This is very important. Now that we need to maintain this very positive relation in the basis of trust.
This is your first visit to Australia since last year's accession into ASEAN. How can these meetings support Timor-Leste's successful integration into ASEAN?
I think we have agreed on the situation of support towards Timor-Leste's full membership, alignment with our policies, and also the preparation towards the chairship. I think on economic, on trade, very important, on connectivity, issues that we will discuss further in the capital with our team, dedicated team, under the guidance of Vice Minister for ASEAN Affairs. We will set a program plan of action that we can also present to Minister of Foreign Affairs of Australia, hopefully in Philippines. So this is very important to measure what are the plans, what are the indicators, and what the outputs. These are very important. So we really seek support from Australia as one of the major partners, as well as the dialogue partners.
How will Timor-Leste work with Australia and other nations to prepare for the 2029 ASEAN Summit?
So we are working together on this to see various pillars as required, and we will communicate to have a consolidation with all the institutions about the needs preparation. We have under the major 5 pillars, there are 14 sub-units, including everything, technical preparation, concepts, logistics, arrangements, everything there, and Vice Minister is very much knowledgeable about this, and we hope that we can coordinate, but we really need to work hard to prepare. That is why the discussion with Foreign Minister Senator Penny Wong, we agreed to have a team to work together and define a plan of actions. This plan of actions need to be discussed together. So I think on return, we can discuss with our Vice Minister for ASEAN and the Director for ASEAN issues. So we'll work together with other ministries through the Executive Committee to see the preparation as a whole.
Thank you, Minister. It is such an honor and pleasure to discuss with you in this special.
Thank you so much. Thank you.